Yo! Okay. Yo, what up, guys? Sorry, that was cringe. Wait. Okay, we are recording. I'm not sure what game to play, but I am going to play Run. First ever try. Let's get into it. Actually, I've already unlocked 3 of the characters. Let's do explore mode, because I am on level B7? B8, even better than I thought. Okay, yeah, I'm not going too fast because this is like the alien dinosaur alien. He sleeps a lot. I've never passed this level. I wish I could. I physically cannot. Unless today is my lucky day, seeing that I'm recording. Okay, guys. Oh no. Okay. Oh. Anyway, oh, this is one of these levels. Oh, so close. Actually, no. Yes, make it! No! It said I was on B10. Oh, something happened. Okay, I'm wearing my hat. You guys can't see, and I'm not gonna enable my camera, otherwise I will get told off. Yeah. Anyway, guys, maybe later, like another video, I'll show my face. But not right now. Whoa, that was a near miss. Anyway, guys, this is one of my favorite games to play on YouTube. I just love it. I've been addicted to it. It's also a computer game, and this is free on the App Store and Play Store. I'm not positive about the App Store, but I'm positive about the Play Store, because I downloaded it on the Play Store. Anyway, guys, I think we're gonna do it. Oh, what? How unlucky am I? I got that twice now. Okay, that was just me not paying attention because I was talking to you guys. Yeah, anyway, subscribe to my channel, like, please. I need everything. I need all the monies. I'm only kidding. And like, tell me some tricks, like how to get more views and people to find me in the comments below. I'm still kind of new to YouTube. Anyway, guys, somehow my sister has 170 something subscribers. Anyway, guys, yeah, go subscribe to her channel. Well, unsubscribe. Yeah. Her YouTube channel is Avni and Tonto, FYI. Oh! I only have 10 subscribers. I'm just trying to spam those subscribers. So please subscribe to me if you're watching this. Just don't leave me hanging. Make sure you do it. Otherwise, I'll see you in the night. I will find you in your sleep. Anyway, guys, please just subscribe. I just need these subscribers. I'm trying to make more what are they called, episodes? Yeah. I'm trying my absolute hardest. Yeah, just please subscribe. If you're watching this, just please don't leave without doing anything, because I make this effort for you guys. Press the middle button, please. Open. Huh? Press the middle button in the oven. Okay. Anyway, guys. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Stupid ads. I can't even cut it out because I don't know how. Still new to YouTube, I told you guys. Actually, I'll try my hardest. Okay, we're on level B9. Oh. Yeah, my internet's been playing up lately. Like, it's not the first time, but it's the first time on YouTube. No. Wait a second. Oh, I thought I could glitch it. Okay, so sorry for that high pitchness, guys. Yeah. Oh, I need to like try finding out how my sister gets so many views and subscribers. She gets over like 100. I don't know how other YouTubers edit like that. Do you guys know? So if you do, just leave it down in the comments. Yeah. Just if I could get past this level, I could end the video. But seeing that I just hardly doing it, this may be a very long video. I'll try not to make it go above 30 or 20 minutes. No, 30 minutes I'll try not to make it go above. So, hey Google. Hey Google. Okay. My Google isn't working. It hates me. Yeah, sorry about the background noise again. I'll try adding in some music and yeah, sorry if you guys either can't hear me. I'm like speaking really loud. They can hear you. Yeah, it's a microphone. Oh, he fell asleep. Okay, I'll use this dude.
Hello.
Oh, go away. It's my sister. I subscribe to her channel. No, actually, unsubscribe from her channel. If you subscribe, then unsubscribe. Why are you even subscribing to my sister? Even go subscribe to my brother. He does live streams all the time. This is like an impossible level. My friend, he's on level B17. Joshua. He's not my friend. Yeah.
He's his best friend.
No, my best friend are 2 other boys. No, 3. No, you. What about Samby? Yeah, caught you out on that one, didn't I? Anyway, I'm gonna cut out this conversation. I don't want them hearing about that.
Hello.
I'm gonna cut out that as well. How many kids?
My name is Potato.
Go subscribe to our channel. Just type up Avni and Thumper and then her channel. Oh, okay, I'll cut it out.
Yeah.
50. Fine, I'll just cut all of you out. Jeez, first you're complaining. No, don't cut this out. Then I say cut this out. Okay, bye. Anyway, okay, I'm back. Sorry. David's sister was here. And she still is, but she's not talking.
I don't know my house.
Okay, why physically can't I pass this level? I got so far now I can't even get that far. Okay, never mind. Okay, now my sister wants to try, so I'm giving the phone to her. Still can't hear, you can still. You can hear me? Isn't this better? Isn't this better than her? I'm okay. Subscribe to our channel, by the way. If you're watching this, why the fudge aren't you subscribing? Just please subscribe. I take my time on these episodes. it takes about an hour or two to save this episode, to post it, and then it takes about another 4 hours to upload. So yeah, I get tired, so I go to sleep, and then in the morning it's finished. Yeah, and I'm uploading a video. It's about Pixel Gun 3D. So if you guys haven't seen that episode, go watch it. It might be in the top right corner. I'm not sure how you do that, but maybe if you mention it, then it will happen. So yeah. Oh no, trouble's coming. I'll cut that off. Yeah, guys. So.
Exactly.
Okay, thanks. Okay, the phone's back on me. Yeah. Phone's back on me. Just. Okay, Versa here. This is a very hard game. For cheese sake.
That's easy money. I can do that any day.
No, you can't. No, I done one.
Huh?
I already done 1 mile as my max.
Yeah, look at you. You're a little fat.
You know I'm not gonna cut that out of the video.
I don't care, fat head.
Yeah. Anyway.
Who's gonna watch your video?
My friends.
I'll pick them up.
Oh yeah. You don't even know where they live. You don't. Cause I can't be asked. My charger's here. I'm gonna cut all this out, you know. Actually, I'm gonna try. I don't think I can. But yeah. And because I have the mic, so. Anyway, guys, I'm back.
Guys, check these on you want to watch the video. What the hell do you mean, guys?
Are you kidding? No. On my first ever video, guess how many views? No, I got 56. How many views do your live streams get?
I've got 900.
Oh yeah. I can go check right now.
Oh mate, do you want me to upload a video? No, I'm not gay like you. Gotta cut that out.
You don't know how. No, I'm not gonna cut that out.
I don't know how, but you do.
I'm not gonna cut it out.
No, don't cut it. What did you do?
For God's sake.
What?
Okay. Oh, just no. Okay, I'm switching character. Okay, can't even check how long I've been. Okay, guys, that's gonna have to wrap this video up.
Goodbye.